Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to be reading My Daddy Snores by Nancy H. Rothstein, illustrated by Stephen Gilpin. One day, Daddy's snore boomed like a dinosaur roar. The windows rattled, the walls trembled, so Mommy played the musical beds. She tried sleeping in my bed, but I hogged the blanket. She tried sleeping in Natalie's crib, but it broke. On Tuesday, Daddy's snore rumbled like an earthquake. It shook Mommy right out of bed. So she slept in the bathtub. But the faucet dripped water on her head all night long. Drip, 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 drip. On Wednesday, Daddy's snore chugged like a freight train, so Mommy slept in Hammy's cage, but she was too squished, and it smelled funny. On Thursday, Daddy's snore buzzed like a bumblebee, so Mommy slept in the doghouse. Ooh, no snoring zone, but poor Rover didn't sleep a wink. He howled instead, very loudly. On Friday, Daddy's snore whistled like a teapot, so this time Mommy made Daddy sleep in Splishy's bowl, but even Daddy's bubble snored loudly. It wasn't fair to Splishy at all. On Saturday, Daddy's snore honked like a truck. Mommy had a great idea. She made Daddy sleep in a tent, and he's still snoring. But he woke up all the birds. When the birds woke up, then the birds woke us up. It was not a great idea after all. On Sunday morning, Mommy looked like a zombie having a bad hair day. No more snoring, she yelled. She took Daddy to the doctor, and the doctor helped to cure Daddy's snoring. On Sunday night, Daddy didn't snore. Our whole house was quiet. Mommy slept. I slept. Natalie slept. Rover and Splishy and Hammy slept until Daddy started talking in his sleep. Thanks. I love more ice cream. And that was My Daddy Snores. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day and keep reading.